Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Toyota Prius oil filter. First, gather all your tools and supplies, including a new oil filter and fresh engine oil. Make sure your car is on a level surface and the engine is cool to the touch. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe oil change process. Let's get started with the actual steps. Now, let's get that old oil out. Find the drain plug under your Prius and position your drain pan. Carefully remove the plug, letting the used oil flow freely into the pan. It's important to let it drain completely to ensure you're putting fresh, clean oil into your engine. This step is crucial for engine longevity. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Quick recommendation: The Simple Path to Wealth is a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, much like a fresh oil change can revitalize your car. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now, let's get back to the video. With the old oil drained, it's time for the new filter. Use your special tool to remove the old filter cartridge. Clean the housing thoroughly, then install the new filter and O-rings. Don't forget to put the drain plug back in with a fresh gasket, tightening it properly. This ensures no leaks and a secure fit for your new filter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.